How's it going, guys? Welcome to the Weeb Lounge. And yeah, it's getting noisier because we get more cards and stuff, but we also got these motherboards in, these little 12 PCIe slot things. Well, not really slots, more like USB things, but yeah, we're still building, we're still adding, and we got stuff to do. Now, I haven't done all that much work since the last time I did an update. Now, I did get that 6 card in to make this all pretty. Look at that, 6 of the white Zotac Gaming Trinity OC, whatever the heck it is. This thing is running beautifully. 6 cards, it looks great. I'm going to do the same thing over here with the black edition eventually, but I have to find 2 more of these things. The 2080 Ti's, I'll get rid of those. I'll have the black editions over here. The white edition's over here, and RGB crazy here. I love this thing. It's so stupid, but the server power supply, the 2400 watt server power supply, this guy right here, it'll work. It'll get the job done. 2400 watts right there. But I moved 2 of the cards over, so as you can see, RGB, that's the whole goal. But I am going to have a cluster of wires down here that are just going to look kind of bad. I don't know how much wire management I can actually do to make it look better, but we'll see. I'll figure something out. Still trying to get this thing done, but yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a task. I moved those cards out of here, and I got 2 3090s running right here and a 3060. 3060 I think I'm actually going to take out, and I got plans for it, so we'll see. This guy's running perfectly smooth. I had to reset it once because it just went bork on me for random whatever reasons. Who knows? It does what it does. And I got this guy built too. Oh man, it's a rig built, ready to go. A couple of power supplies in it. Everything's just ready to go. But yeah, nothing I don't have anything to put in it right now. So yeah, that's a bit of an issue because scalper prices, right? This thing, I'm actually setting up, and that's what I was going to do with the 3060, is I'm probably going to take the 3060 out and use it in another, like, rig. But I want to do a little bit of streaming from here. And this is why I bought a few things, and it'll be different. The GoPro that I'm using here is a GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition or whatever with the media mod. It works pretty good. I like it, but I found out I can also use it as a webcam. Alright? So I'm going to use this as a webcam, and I got myself this guy here. This is just charging up. This is the base. It's for a wireless microphone. And over in the corner here, or maybe sitting over here, I'm not sure which yet, but I'm going to build another, just a computer, not a rig, I guess you'd say, just a computer. And every once in a while, when I'm just working down here, building stuff or whatever, I might just go ahead and turn on a live stream. Do it while I'm streaming. You know, why not have a live stream while I'm just kind of messing around, right? Little bonus stream on top of all the other the gaming stuff I do. Oh man, yeah. The other day when I was playing Apex Legends for like 6 hours or whatever until 3 a.m. that was painful. That was really painful. I don't know if I want to keep playing that or what, but we'll see. Now, the idea I had with this rig here was to get all my 3080s over here, right? But I started thinking, wait a minute, you know, this thing's running perfectly fine. Why should I mess with this, right? Why should I mess with it just to be pretty? When, you know, as I'm mining and paying off some of these cards, every once in a while I can try to dig up another 3080 and just slowly add to it. Hopefully, over time. Oh, the cards are actually mining really well. Surprisingly, the profits are up. And I don't know why, but they are, and I'm not going to complain about that. So, you know, I have to say a lot of people out there are like, you know, it's pretty late to get into the mining business and everything. You know, you're going to be paying out the rectum. Why did I say rectum? It's out the ass. Oh, the things I try to do to make YouTube better. I don't know. But yeah, you pay out the ass with the scalper prices with these things, and that's like the only way to get them, right? I even went so far as to try to get through the business some distributor license and distributor rights to just get wholesale video cards, but you can't even do that. They're just so scarce. So, you know, yeah, unless I'm willing to plop down millions of dollars for like a whole new store or something, yeah, I can't do that. I don't think I have that money laying around in my account, considering it's like Just not, I don't even have a Bitcoin yet, so that's not going to happen. But anyways, these things are working out pretty good. I'll be expanding, keep on going, and the little meter here, this thing, it does the job, but I don't actually like it. I think it's actually kind of crap. Right now, I'm using just under 6,000 watts. It's costing about 19 bucks a day to run these, which overall isn't bad. Profit margins are good, so there's nothing to worry about. But I really don't like that thing. Honestly, it does the job, it does it accurate, but it's weird. You got this little wireless dongle thing. It just kind of sits up here looking stupid. I want one that I just stick on the wall, big old nice and shiny or whatever. I mean, if I wanted to, I guess I could, like, you know, sit this upstairs, pay attention to the temperatures and everything. I guess there's that. I probably should do that. Just take it upstairs. Oh, that way I can keep an eye on it when I'm eating my Cocoa Pebbles. It's good stuff. But yeah, it's all going, and let's see, this rig right here that I have the 3090, 3090, 3060, that's going to get torn apart because that's just kind of slapped together. That's goofy. And I'm going to use this motherboard in it. The 12 slot guy. And these things, any of the motherboards that are designed for mining are generally really expensive. Like stupid expensive. They're dumb. They're just plain dumb. But you can get them on AliExpress for fairly cheap. Now, AliExpress is hit and miss, right? And you got to be careful when you buy on AliExpress because, you know, it's all from China. These boards are used. And I purchased 3 of the 12 boards and 3 of the 6 slot boards. All right, and the 6 slots are all working perfectly fine after I fixed my little issue. Right, and the 12 slot boards, I got one in this guy here. It's working fine. One in the end there that I don't have any video cards in, so you know, actually it's not even tested yet. It's booted. It's got Windows. It's ready for the cards, but nothing yet. And then you got this guy. I got all the stuff ready to go. But no real point in doing it right now because, yeah, that is going to go into the goofy rig, and I still have to swap out those RGBs for the fancy guys. Yeah, I like these things. It's stupid, but I like them. Oh, man. But yeah, everything's going pretty good. I even got these guys. These are hard to get. They're on Amazon. It's just a stupid extension cord that could do 240 volt, you know, the proper plugs that I need. Finding something that's more than just a basic extension with one plug this is the only option. It kind of sucks, but I got a couple of them because in all reality, look at all the stuff I got going down here. It's only taking 6,000 watts, right? I mean, 6,000 watts is a lot, but considering everything I got going, that's not bad. And I can actually, like, I could use the extensions on these to add like another whole rig, and I won't go over wattage for each of these individual plugs. Like this guy's on a breaker, that's on a breaker, actually 2 breakers, that's on a breaker. Each plug has its own breaker, and it's spaced out perfectly right, so I know exactly how many watts I can pull off each one. So yeah, I can expand that with the stupid little cord here. This thing is rated for 4,000 watts, give or take, whatever, something around there. So as long as I ain't burning the house down, I'm fine, right? It's fine. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, guys. Man, where do I go from here? You know, the only way that I go is more. That's all I can do. More. It is addicting though, because when you start seeing like the hash rate numbers, the mining revenue, when you start seeing all that, it almost starts to become an addiction. You're like, I need to get more stuff. I need to find more cards. How do I get more cards? Do I pay eBay? Do I camp every website out there known to man? Because all the bots and everything. There's so many bots buying these damn cards from the script kiddies out there that the bots are having a hard time getting the cards. I mean, regular manual people sitting there trying to add the cart and go, you have like no chance in hell of getting any of these cards. The bots get them, and the bots are fighting each other to get the cards. So we just don't have a chance. It's just a matter of, luck, or lots of luck, or just paying the price. And with most of these, I've had to pay the price. Thankfully, they are paying for themselves still, even at those crazy prices. So, like I was kind of mentioning earlier, if you're not into mining yet, this feels like it's the last of the last. This is like your last chance to get into mining if you want to get into it onto some incredible degree. Because I believe NVIDIA is going to start putting like hardware limiters in on their chips, the boards, to limit our hash rate so that miners can't get them and stuff. Even though miners, miners get blamed for this, okay? Well, we get blamed for the shortage when I'm paying scalper prices for most of this stuff, or some of the cars I've already had. So yeah, the miners are taking the blame, but we're not the actual cause. We take up maybe 5% of the graphics card market. That's it. The rest, all the 95% is other people doing stuff. So yeah, don't blame these guys, especially since I'm paying out my rectum. I said it again, for these damn cards, and if I'm going to expand, I'm going to have to keep doing the same thing. But like I was saying, this seems like it's the last chance to really get in on mining and to be profitable and to actually get the cards and everything from it, because with the limiters coming, the hash rates and everything are going to change. Ethereum 2.0, all the the upgrades and changes. It's getting all kind of crazy, but it just has that feeling that like if you don't get in it now within the next couple of months, that's your last chance. It's like the crypto renaissance. It's about to happen, and that's just the feeling I get. I'm probably stupid and completely wrong on that. I don't know, but that's how it's feeling, and it's like, I don't know. Maybe I'm lucky to get in on it at this time. Maybe I should have picked it up earlier. I know that damn well, but I don't know. Seems like the last chance. But anyways, guys, my voice is going out. I've been talking too much. I got a cough really bad. We'll see you in the next video.